High-stakes pipeline projects demand precision, but bend ends don't always fit, causing fit-up issues, manual rework, and costly delays. Equans introduces a world-first automated solution, the Impressor and Expressor. The Impressor applies controlled external pressure to reach the exact diameter. Then, the Expressor uses 360-degree laser-guided measurement to correct ovality on the inside and shape each bend end into the perfect circle. The result? An unmatched tolerance of just plus or minus 1.5 millimeters. This guarantees faster installation, total traceability, and enhanced safety. From LNG and petrochemicals to nuclear and pharma, this is the new standard in efficiency. Discover our Impressor and Expressor. Bending challenges into solutions. Only with Equans.